welcome to my channel Glow with Hindoli. Today I am going to tell you about the night gel that I am using since last 2 weeks and has shown me an amazing result, and that is something that everyone can use, all who have acne prone skin. Anyways, you can use it anytime, but still, if you are someone with extremely oily and acne prone skin like me, then this is of course something very much important for you. So without wasting much time, what all I am going to use, I will show you in next couple of minutes. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So yeah, let's see what. Well, the two things that I'm going to use is, first one is aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel is something that is really very important to create the gel base. So you can use any of your favorite aloe vera gel. I am using whatever available to me right now. And the second one is tea tree oil. So when it comes to tea tree oil, I must tell you one thing, like, first of all, there is a hell lot of tea tree oil available in the market, but you have to find out which one is suitable for your skin. You just have to try and test. There is no other option. So one I'm going to use is just, I bought randomly and found this is actually suiting my skin. That's why I am just sticking it to it. This is probably the second bottle for me, but I will give all the links in the description box. So this tea tree oil is a magical substance when it comes to treating acne, pustules, or all these dirty things. And so yeah, let's see how to prepare it. It's very easy. You just have to apply it one time. People of any age and any gender and everybody can use this, and only one time use. So I think this is quite easy and very easy to maintain as well. Last 2 weeks I have used it and I am quite impressed. I was just doing some experiment with my skin and I found it really worked very well. So why not to share? So here I am going to use Organic's aloe vera gel and Organo gold tea tree oil specially for acne. Just take a small amount of aloe vera gel into a small glass bowl and just one small drop of tea tree oil, and then mix it with your finger. If you have brush or something, you can use it, but that is actually wastage. So there is a very small amount, so it will create a gel or serum like consistency. Now we have to apply it on our skin after a facial steaming, but simple face wash is also good. Just apply on the skin and massage it thoroughly. If you have any face massager, that is also good, but I prefer to use my fingers. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoy the video and will try this at home. This is very easy, and just let me know what you think about this, if it worked for you or not. Follow my Facebook page. Don't forget to follow me on the Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.